If you want to clear formatting on your dataset table here, this is what you do. Select any cell on your dataset table here and press Ctrl A to highlight the whole table itself. Next, you need to be in Home tabs. Under the editing ribbon, there's this clear here. You do click on it to pull down the menu here, and then from here you're going to click on clear format. What this does is that it clears all the format. That includes italic, bolding, underline, and even the font type, but it does not clear comments. As you can see, the comments are still there. To clear the comment, again go to your clear, and then there's this selection for clear comments, and if you click on it, all the comments are gone. There's few other clearing I want to show you. Let me undo everything again. Select any cell in your table, press Ctrl A to highlight the whole table. Let's go to clear again. The first one I want to show you is clear all. Clear all completely removes your data, formatting, and everything else. Let me undo this again. Press Ctrl A, select the table, clear. Next one I'll show you is called clear content. Clear content only removes the data, not the formatting itself. You might need it for some other things, but I'm not too sure how you use it. But if you do, please leave a comment in your description below. Let me undo this again. The next thing I want to show you is how you can clear the hyperlinks. As you can see, this is an email address. If you put the URL, it'll be similar in nature. It will have underline and blue. And if you right click a cell, you can see that under the context menu, the edit hyperlink is available. You see this hyperlink is available. To remove this is how you do it. Again, select any cell, Ctrl A to select the whole table, go clear. There's this thing called clear hyperlink. If you click on it, notice how it looks like nothing really happened, but something did happen. If you go back again, click the cell, right click, there's no more hyperlink selection on your context menu. That indicates that the hyperlink has been removed, but the formatting is maintained. Let me undo this. Okay, if a hyperlink is there now. So to remove both the hyperlinks and the formatting, what you do is like this. Ctrl A to select the whole table, go to clear, and then you want to select remove hyperlink. And notice when I do that, you can see that the blue lines, which is the formatting, is gone along with the hyperlinks. The hyperlinks are gone as well.